Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about AutoCAD Electrical. AutoCAD Electrical software is AutoCAD software specially designed for electrical controls designer. AutoCAD Electrical design software includes all the functionality of AutoCAD plus a complete set of electrical CAD features, comprehensive symbol libraries, and AutoCAD Electrical has additional features to automate control engineering tasks such as building circuits, creating wires, and creating builds. To start with AutoCAD Electrical drawing, the first thing what we have to do is to create a project. We can go to the Project tab. Inside the Project Manager, we click on New Project icon. Now we can give the name for our project, and we can also select the library which we want our project to follow. Now this project is a folder in which I will put all my AutoCAD drawings. I click OK. And you will notice that inside the projects manager, you will see that your project has been added. You can right click and create a new drawing inside this project folder. We can give the name for our new drawing. We can select a template. So if we have any existing template, we can select that template by clicking here on Browse. And we can select a template for our drawing and open. And now I click OK. If you want to edit any of your project properties, you can click OK. And it says, do you want to apply the project default values to the drawing settings? I click yes, so that my project setting and my drawing settings are same. If we intend to change any settings, we can come to the drawing format and we can change our settings. Click OK. Now our drawing is ready. Now to create wires, we can go to Schematic tab. To create wires, we can click here on Multiple Bus if we intend to create multiple wires together. For example, I click on Multiple Bus. We can select the spacing we want for our wires. For example, I want 8 mm horizontal and 8 mm vertical. Now I want to create a vertical bus from empty space because we don't have anything in our drawing yet. So I click here on empty space. Then we can also select number of wires we want to create. For example, I want to create 4 wires. I click OK. Now we have to click on the start point. For example, I want to start here. And I just drag my mouse to give the direction of my wire. So we selected a vertical wire, so it is only going in vertical direction. But we can always continue. Now when I continue in the horizontal direction, for example, I want to show the overlap. So we can click from the command line, letter F to flip. Now I want to continue my wires to go in vertical direction again. So we can click C. We can type C and press enter. Again, we can type C to continue my wires. So if you want to flip, you can always flip your wires. Now, once we have created the wires, you will notice that AutoCAD Electrical is smart enough to create the jumps or the gaps for the wire, for the overlapping. Now, for example, I want to create another set of wire from this particular wire. We can again go to multiple bus and we can select a different option which is from another bus. I click here on another bus and I click OK. Now we can select the bus or the wire we want to start from. For example, I want to start from this wire and I drag here. I click. Now you would notice that it automatically creates the connections for my wire and the overlaps. AutoCAD Electrical can help us to create our drawings much faster as it has over 2000 standard-based schematic symbols. So for example, if we want to add more symbols to our drawing now, we can go to icon menu and we can select different icons to be placed. For example, if I pick this pilot light, I have different icons, different types of lights which I can apply to our drawing. We can click and insert our light. Similarly, we can select from a wide range of schematic symbols for our drawing. So there are commands specifically designed for electrical schematic drawings. We can use the commands which are specifically designed for electrical schematic designs, which we will talk about in further tutorials. I hope you like this video. Feel free to comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.